Hey, I'm Barbara O'Neill. Have you ever wondered what might happen if you combine two of nature's most powerful healing ingredients, castor oil and baking soda, and took them at night? For centuries, both have been trusted for their cleansing and restoring effects. But very few people know what truly unfolds inside the body when they work together. Tonight, I want to share with you a simple yet remarkable 14-day ritual that can completely transform how your body feels, looks, and functions. It's not a quick fix or a modern invention. It's a gentle return to nature's wisdom. When you take this mixture at night while your body rests, something extraordinary begins to happen inside. Your organs start to detoxify, inflammation calms, your digestion improves, and energy quietly returns. But how does this simple night formula bring such deep change? And what makes the combination of castor oil and baking soda so powerful? Stay with me, because in this video, we're going to explore the truth your body has been waiting to hear. When you lie down at night, your body begins its most powerful healing work. While you rest, your organs don't sleep. They repair, restore, and clean up the damage from the day. This is where the combination of castor oil and baking soda works its quiet magic. Castor oil is one of nature's richest healing substances. It penetrates deep into the tissues, stimulating circulation, reducing inflammation, and supporting the liver, the body's great filter. When taken in small amounts or applied topically, it encourages the removal of toxic waste through the intestines and lymphatic system. Baking soda, on the other hand, is highly alkaline. It neutralizes acids that build up from processed foods, stress, and pollution. When these two are combined, you create a natural, gentle detox tonic that restores your body's internal balance and helps every cell function more efficiently. Imagine this. While you sleep, the castor oil supports the liver in releasing toxins, and the baking soda balances the acidity that slows healing. The two together act like a silent cleanup crew, restoring your gut, calming inflammation, and promoting smoother digestion. Many people notice their bloating fades, their morning energy rises, and their skin begins to glow again. Within just a few nights, your body starts sending signals that it's working better from within. You may experience deeper sleep, easier bowel movements, or reduced stiffness in the joints. These are signs that your system is cleansing naturally without the harsh effects of modern chemical detoxes. So, the best time to use this combination is actually right before bed. You'll want to mix a teaspoon of cold-pressed castor oil with half a teaspoon of baking soda in a small cup of warm water. Then, just drink it slowly and mindfully. As your body rests, this mixture will move through your system, gently supporting your liver, colon, and lymphatic drainage. If you're sensitive, it's really wise to start with smaller amounts, just half the dose, and observe how your body responds. It's important to respect your body's pace. Healing isn't forced, it's invited. During the first few nights, you might notice subtle changes. Your stomach may gurgle more, or you might have a slightly looser bowel movement. That's perfectly normal. It's your body's way of saying, I'm letting go. By about the fourth or fifth night, you'll notice digestion feels so much easier. That old heaviness in your belly just disappears, and you actually start waking up feeling lighter, both physically and mentally. Around the seventh night, something really remarkable happens. The liver's energy flow actually strengthens. You might feel calmer, more centered, and your skin may even start to look clearer. The body truly begins to glow from the inside out because, waste and acids are being neutralized and flushed away. By the second week, your internal systems have learned a new rhythm. The castor oil continues to lubricate the digestive tract and assist the body in releasing stored toxins, while the baking soda keeps your internal environment alkaline, an environment where disease struggles to grow. In this phase, you may feel a new sense of vitality, clearer thinking, more flexible joints, and even better sleep. Some people notice that long-standing aches fade because inflammation is cooling down from within. But remember, this isn't a miracle potion. It's a reminder of how profoundly the body responds to gentle natural support. Barbara O'Neill always emphasizes that true healing begins when you remove what harms and provide what nourishes. Castor oil and baking soda are simple tools nature gives us to restore that balance. For the elderly, this combination can be especially beneficial. It helps regulate bowel movement, relieve gas and bloating, and even support the liver in metabolizing fats and toxins. For those struggling with fatigue or skin issues, it acts like a quiet reset button, restarting your body's natural cleansing mechanisms. If you wish to enhance the process, pair this nightly ritual with warm water during the day, light stretching, and a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Avoid heavy late-night meals and processed sugars. They burden the liver and neutralize the benefits. You may also apply a castor oil compress on your abdomen once or twice a week. Simply soak a soft cloth in castor oil, place it over your liver area, cover it with a towel, and apply gentle warmth using a hot water bottle for about 30 minutes. This helps open circulation and deepen detoxification while you relax. Throughout this journey, it's vital to listen to your body. If you ever feel uneasy or overly tired, just pause for a day, all right? Healing is not a race. It's more like a conversation between you and your cells, really. Each night you give your body this simple gift. It thanks you by repairing itself more deeply, you know. Many who've tried this for 14 days describe waking up not just lighter, but, clearer in thought, calmer in mood, and deeply rested. That's because when your internal environment becomes balanced, your mind also finds harmony. So tonight, before you go to bed, just remember this. You hold within your home 2 humble ingredients capable of transforming your health from the inside out. It's not about the complexity of medicine, but the simplicity of nature's design. Let the castor oil nurture your organs, let the baking soda restore your pH, and together they will help your body return to its natural state of vitality. Stay with me till the end of this journey, because as you'll soon discover, the greatest healing often begins with the smallest, simplest steps. After completing the full 14 nights, you'll begin to understand that this simple practice is more than a detox. It's a reset for your entire being. When your body is clean inside, your energy rises, your thinking clears, and your emotions calm. Many people notice their skin tone improves, their digestion feels effortless, and even their sleep becomes deeper. This happens because the body is finally working with nature, not against it. The castor oil continues to nourish the liver and intestines, while the baking soda helps keep your internal chemistry balanced. The two together form a rhythm of harmony within your system. A nightly conversation between cleansing and renewal. But I must remind you, healing is not about doing something for a few days and returning to old habits. It's about listening to what your body tells you. Continue to hydrate well, eat living foods, and give yourself time to rest. If you wish, you can repeat this 14-night routine every few months to help maintain balance. Nature rewards consistency, not intensity. So tonight, as you prepare to rest, just remember, your body knows how to heal. You only need to give it the right support. Trust the process, be patient, and allow nature to perform her quiet miracle. I'm Barbara O'Neill, and I invite you to begin this gentle journey toward a cleaner, calmer, and stronger body. Start